Hello guys, most of the people get answer 1 for this problem in wrong way. Here 6 divided by 2 times this is 3. Now 6 divided by this is 6. Now 6 divided by 6 is 1. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS here this is bracket higher priority than all others. This is multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Multiplication divisions are equal priority, as well as this addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operation. Now as per this order of operations, PEMDAS bracket is higher priority. So 6 divided by 2 times this is 3. Now we have division and multiplications. Both are equal priority. For this we have to follow left to right rule. Left to right this one. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 times this 3. Now this is 9. 9 is the correct answer